Hi, it's Thursday, April 22nd. We opened up the greenhouse today. We had tomatoes sprout in the greenhouse while we had potatoes dying outside. There's some damage. Gotta love Oklahoma weather. Anyhow, I'm pretty pleased with how everything came through inside the greenhouse. Well, I didn't lose them all. That's kind of disconcerting. I think by this weekend we'll be putting some of these out in the garden. We got some pretty nice squash that are about ready to go out. On Tuesday night, 28 degrees. Last night, 30 degrees. Well, we didn't lose them all. And I believe these other ones are going to green right back up. But boy, it sure is disappointing. It did get pretty cold for 2 days. You know, I was a little disappointed in how the potatoes turned out. Oh well, that's gardening. The peas did just fine. Beets, arugula, and cilantro, just fine. The lettuce and the spinach and our polar vortex lettuce and onions did fantastic. Our leeks and corn salad came through without a hitch. The iceberg lettuce and the cabbages that are a little more mature, not a problem. A few of the radish leaves got a little frosted. We also have some really nice lettuce and onions, doing okay. Our fancy Japanese carrots, doing good. Some of the tops of these other carrots, the first carrots, look like they got frosted just a little bit. Some of these beets came through really well. Well, some of these young cabbages, their leaves got singed pretty good. Our December carrots, our kohlrabi, and our broccoli that's going to seed that we planted in the little mini greenhouse, they're doing pretty good. They made it through without a hitch. Some of the potato tops are pretty much gone. Should not hurt the potatoes, they should come on back. Some of them are just singed pretty good, and some of them that were just coming up, they still look okay, a few. We'll see what we get. For the most part, the cold weather crops, the stuff that we planted on purpose for this weather, held up just fine. And actually doing really, really well. All in all, I'm pretty pleased at how everything came through that freeze. 28 degrees is pretty cold. And I think it lasted more than just an hour or two. But then again, I'm not a weather forecaster. And our beets that we didn't do anything to, and our kale that we didn't do anything to, ooh, look. Well, we got bees. Turned out I was right. Potatoes, that was the one thing to worry about. 28 degrees, covered, doesn't matter. They didn't come through very well. I bet they green right back up. I bet we have a pretty good harvest anyhow. We'll see what we get. Thanks for stopping by my garden for an update. Telling you, nothing like coming out to the garden and get some fresh beet leaves. Unless you want to match it with some kale. Thanks for stopping by for a visit. Remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.